Hello, hi friends, welcome to Sushma Feed Fantasy. Today I am preparing my culture favorite dish. This is called edmi,
ठीक है ना.
or you can say split chana dal cracker. So let's start the process. So we need to prepare first plain flour dough. So take split chana dal flour 1 cup. Add half tablespoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon red chili powder as per your taste. Add 1 tablespoon salt as per your taste. Take half tablespoon jeera, crush the jeera and green chilli, coriander and curry leaves. Cut into small pieces. Chopped it nicely and add 1.5 tablespoon ginger garlic paste. Chopped it nicely. Let's add into the bowl. So add 1 tablespoon oil. Add 1 tablespoon sesame seeds, teal. Mix well. Now we're gonna add little water. Add little water. Then we're gonna prepare nice dough. Not too hot, not too soft. So we prepared nicely. Then apply oil and close the lid for 15 minutes. So we already prepared the plain flour dough. So we cut into small pieces. Prepare like a small chapati doughs, small doughs. Now take a besan dough. Prepare it like a small dough like this. So we have to stuff. Just like a dumplings. Then apply oil. Keep it in your in the big bowl, otherwise it gonna stick together. So take a dough and prepare like a roti. पापड़ जैसे होनी चाहिए. Just like this we need to prepare. So after that we need to check the oil temperature, it is heat or not. Then we're gonna fry it. It's like a cracker. It's very crunchy and very tasty. You can eat with any curry or the. If you like my video, please do subscribe my channel and please press the bell icon. Like my video. I have to do some more. I hope you like this cracker. If you like this recipe, please try it home and let me know in comment section. I hope you're gonna like this video. Please do subscribe my channel and share it with your friends and family. Until then, bye. Enjoy my video. See you again in next video.